stacking up that pay. Put on for the set, made it happen. Should've seen that face.
Uh-oh. You alright, bro?
Hey, yeah, I'm good, bro.
Just got done washing that bit, bro.
They got this bitch back to the dealership, man.
Damn, your, right, Camaro. Damn. Damn. Remember when we, I was watching that video, the video I sent you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Mayday.
Oh, God,
Yeah.
I gotta get the key to all these cars, really.
What this is? What this is?
It's 300.
It's 300, okay. Yeah, look at that bad motherfucker, man. Look at that bad motherfucker, man. Gold on the front. Car on the front. Car been fucking pretty good. Look at that motherfucker, man. Alright, y'all. Y'all see where we at, bro. I got my Hemi over there, but we out here, man. I ain't even showed to my car. Yeah, that bitch look good. I'm trying to get the back one, too. Yeah, I had swapped that bitch myself, dude. Oh, God, the whole motor.
That bitch run good?
Yeah. I just got to throw some on there so I can get some more power.
I got you an engine.
It's unlocked. Y'all see this shit? Do y'all see this shit? 200 on the dash. Got the SS seats, man. SS Corbin. Camaro, man. This bitch, this the one. Look at the steering wheel, bro. That motherfucker, it be hard. I know you paid a bad for it.
Shit, I paid like, $650 for that motherfucker from a dude.
Oh, that ain't bad on baby.
Like, them bitches go for like $1,200, $1,300.
I was looking to put one in my Chrysler. You got one in your Chrysler too, don't you?
Yeah. I sold the one that was in my other Chrysler. If I knew you would have wanted it, it was blue.
Oh, baby. It's hard to pick, bro. I see why you got everything, dude. It's hard to pick, dude. This is sleep. They don't even know for real. You stay with it. Look at that bitch. Look at that bitch.
I had fucked that bitch up. I had this, but this car used to be parked right here. I had
Yeah.
this cover over it, and I just pulled forward and shit. I ended up hitting the bushes right there and put a big ass crease in that bitch. With a fender right here.
So what side block this is? Damn, yeah. Yeah. Oh, 6'1". Man, these things right, boy.
Cranked that bitch on E85.
E85.
Yeah.
You still put it in your regular gas tank?
Yep.
Oh, it's like
I pump it in the gas tank on God.
Oh, this bitch suited.
Yeah, she inside that bitch.
This bitch suited. Yeah, this bitch suited. Got a drag ball back there, bitch, man. So T61. Oh, we got the gauges in that bitch. Great.
bit loud. And bro got some shit, bro.
I got this car here. It's some from my firewall leaking on my damn pedals. That bitch started smoking right up through here.
Yeah.
I thought it was an oil leak. I changed the valve cover gas. That ain't it. So I'm about to take this cowl up. I bought another one anyway. I'm gonna take this shit up. I just replaced all this on the ProCharged. I'm gonna take this shit up and try to look behind it without having to fuck with Supercharged and see if I can see leaking on that motherfucker.
What year is this?
It's a 07.
This shit look just like mine, okay. Same thing, I took all that shit up.
Yeah, I love the same shit. It did different body panel and shit.
Yeah. Damn, that bit there. You can tell that bit on E85, boy.
Yeah, you can smell that shit on drugs.
Oh, baby.
I took it for a ride, this bitch.
Hey, you ain't been in that Supercharged?
I had to pull this bitch out. I think I do on the cow hood. Well, not cow hood, cow hood.
The water hole?
Yeah.
That's tough, ain't it?
Yeah.
That be tough. It's a hot day, boy. Look at this boy. ProCharged. What's the first one you had? This? Oh, that is it.
Then I bought this car. Then I bought that car. Then I bought my stock 300, but I ain't no selling that one.
ProCharged, man. It be. Y'all listen. That bitch dummy loud. Dummy loud. Dummy loud. Y'all hear that bitch? That's how that bitch idle. Oh, shit. Damn. That's how that bitch idle. This bitch camp. This bitch ain't camp.
I don't know what's really done to the car, but there ain't no aftermarket cam or nothing, I don't believe.
Yeah, I need to upgrade my steering wheel, bro. Yeah,
I
bitch.
gotta get this bitch tuned. It ain't got no, you know what I'm saying, no tune and shit on that bitch.
Yeah.
Like a little handheld tune.
You got some slicks on here too?
I got some I
Oh.
got some nittos on here. That shit been rubbing on that motherfucker up there.
Oh.
I gotta do something with that suspension, man. Get it up a little bit, cause that bitch been rubbing. I think that's gonna cut in that motherfucker. It get tired, but I'm gonna change the tires anyway though. This is example like on this one.
She peep the gas tank though.
I changed that whole
Carbon
shit.
fiber.
Oh God, real carbon fiber. I changed that whole shit.
Yeah, beat the gas though.
I had a carbon fiber trunk, man, but they ain't even send that shit to my hand.
Oh yeah, I seen the one on the charger right here. Carbon fiber, bro. Man.
I'm gonna buy a carbon fiber hood. I seen a big hood I want to put on this one.
On the Chrysler. Man. I see the difference, man. Look. So you said that when I get that bit gonna breathe more air in.
Yeah, it's pulled. This one I was finna get the cartoon. I ain't want to put this gauge in the car, so I just had wired it to this so he can see the wide band and all this shit. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna let somebody else tune it, take this shit off, and roll with it like that.
Hell yeah.
Let somebody else tune that motherfucker like that. They really gonna be running in.
Man. What about the craziest shit? Oh, he ain't peeped the top.
Yeah, I fucked that bitch up. I gotta take that shit off.
Man, that bitch sitting out wide. Boy, I'm gonna have my shit just like this, boy.
This our goal, y'all. This our goal. Come up here.
We these bad boys. 1, 2, 3. We gonna be like this one day, bro. Gonna blow up.
Take that car. I definitely want to take that car. So I got to it said down there and shit. He wanted the brake. I gave him the brake. Shit. I got it.
Damn.
Yeah, little 5'3".
This motherfucker gonna be crazy, bro.
They do right here, boy. She.
You can't put that on the truck.
They put this on the track. Man, this bitch just she just need put a cam in this motherfucker. Put a stall in this motherfucker. And this bitch gonna go gone. She basically just a 6.1 with a supercharged on it, E85, long piece header, and it got a different it got a one of them newer SRT rear ends in a different valve body on there, like an upgraded valve body on the transmission.
Well, got some shit.
Oh, I put a one-piece drive shaft in there because I broke the drive shaft that was in there.
Damn.
Yeah. I'm gonna put some front skinnies on here. I'm gonna change it front bumper out to something else, and I'm gonna cam it, put a stall in there. Shit.
She gonna be ready.
I might good it. I might take the passenger seat out, back seat, just good everything out of it. Not too crazy, but shit. This bitch, she gon' fly. She gon' fly. She got more shit done to her than this car.
Yeah. This man got some shit, man. This dude got some stuff, bro. All type of car, whatever car y'all want to get in. Y'all want to go for a little rainy day, something chill, fast now. So not too fast. That motherfucker here, man. But if you wanna, man, stop playing. You see that shit. You see that shit, man. Then we got the Chrysler right here. Y'all already seen it. Peep something again. Look at that. Carbon fiber, man. And you got some tabs on all of them. Baby. Stay tuned, bro. This bitch got feel scary, huh? What they be thinking about your car? They don't be like,
Nah, they be
they like it.
They be liking that shit, like me to go fast and shit. They be scared sometimes.
Yeah. Peeling off. God damn. They need to have a GoPro on this bitch.
Man, the police took my shit.
Damn.
I gotta get another.
You can hear the little whine too. Pull out in front of you.
Stop.
That bitch. Yeah, they one of the ones. I done rode everything now. I done rode everything now. I ain't gonna lie though, that Camaro, bro. That's some different type of shit. Oh, that bitch ready. Crazy. Yeah. Bro, you got so much shit, bro. You got all type of shit. You don't even know what to drive when you wake up, don't you?
Man, I ain't gonna lie, fast in that regular ass truck. I drive this bitch. Faithfully,
that type of nigga I am.
shit.
That type of nigga I am.
Other people daily driving that shit.
Oh, God.
I drive my shit, goddammit.
When it's time, bro.
When it's time to pull it up.
These badges cost some money, I ain't gonna lie. For a little ass bad, that bitch.
Man.
$50, like some shit like that, bro.
Cause once, really, SIT, when they brand that shit, man, that shit, boy, the truth. People know about SRT. Everybody be rapping about that shit too.
Yeah.
Nobody really rapping about the Mustang. They rapping about SRT, Hellcat,
Right.
shit like that.
Yeah.
Scat Pack, that be from all this shit.
Yeah, that bitch shit crazy. We had to catch on a night out, bro. Like, you remember how we used to do Sunday traffic and shit?
Yeah.
Should be turned.
Man.
Can't that be?
Yeah. I said I'm sick and tired of all these people saying names.